Hello there! Ever faced the dreaded system.io.FileNotFoundException in your C# code? It can be frustrating, right? Today, we'll break down why this happens and how to fix it. Let's dive in. The system.io.FileNotFoundException means your program can't find a file it's trying to use. It's like searching for a book in your library and it's just not there. There are several reasons why this might occur. One common reason is an incorrect file path. Double-check the path you're using in your code. Is it spelled correctly? Is the file actually located in that directory? Even a tiny typo can cause this error. Absolute paths are fixed and point directly to a file. Relative paths are relative to the application's starting directory. Using the wrong type can lead to the error. Another potential cause is the file not being deployed with your application. When you build your project, some files might not be automatically copied to the output directory. Make sure the file is included in your project and its copy to output directory property is set to copy if newer or copy always. If the file is an external DLL, dynamic link library, make sure it's in the same directory as your executable.exe file. Or it's located in a directory specified in your system's path environment variable. Permissions can also cause problems. Your application might not have the necessary permissions to access the file. Run your application as an administrator, or change the file's permissions to allow access to the user running the application. It's also possible that another process is using the file. If another program has the file open exclusively, your application won't be able to access it. Close any programs that might be using the file. To debug this exception effectively, use try-catch blocks. Surround the code that accesses the file with a try-catch block. This will allow you to catch the file not found exception and display a more informative error message. Use a debugger to step through your code. This will help you pinpoint exactly where the exception is being thrown. Check the file path variable just before the file access to ensure it's correct. Tools like Process Monitor from sysinternals can track file access attempts. These tools can help you see exactly which file your application is trying to access. If your application relies on configuration files, make sure these files are correctly formatted and contain the correct file paths. Incorrect settings in configuration files can lead to the file not found exception. Remember to validate user input. If the file path is being provided by the user, validate the input to prevent invalid or malicious file paths from being used. Regularly test your application under different scenarios. Ensure that your application can access the necessary files, especially after deployment or changes to the file structure. So, to recap, double-check your file paths, ensure files are deployed, verify permissions, close other programs, use debugging tools, validate configurations, and test thoroughly. I hope this video has helped you understand and resolve the system.io.FileNotFoundException in C#. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more C# tutorials. Your support helps me create more content.